What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm finally going to reveal to you guys my brand new set of wheels. Now, these wheels, I've wanted these wheels since before I bought the car, even 4 years ago. So without further ado, I present to you That's right, I got back my competition wheels. But the difference here today is these are the ones that should have came with the car. You see, when I bought this car, I got the all silver competition wheels. But if you take a closer look at these here, this is the Shadowline wheels. So in other words, the face of this wheel is slightly darker. It's a darker silver, and inside the barrel is black. It's blacked out. So inside the barrel and the spokes is black, but the face of this wheel is that dark gunmetal silver. That contrast is crazy. Oh my God, this is like a big baller spec if you ask me. That's the best way to describe it. These are 20 inches. Oh my God, I can't get over how good they look. I really wish my car came with these wheels. And another thing that I'm glad that I got today here, these Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. You see, when I originally bought the car, it came with the all silver version of these wheels, but unfortunately it also came with the Michelin Super Sport tires. From factory, BMW and Michelin, they decided to put on some really skinny tires on there. It might be better for handling and whatnot, but it was uncomfortable. So I'm so happy today that I got back my competition wheels, this time in the Shadowline spec, and I got the good tires. I got the Michelin Pilot Sport 4Ss. They tend to give you a little bit more rubber, and that goes a long way, especially when you lower the tire PSI down to maybe 28, 29. It's a lot more comfortable, and I'm really excited and happy I got these wheels. I know a lot of y'all might think this is a downgrade. Why would you go back to stock wheels? Are you selling the car? That's a good question. You never know. You never know. But this is my dream car, and this is how it should have came, and I'm so happy I have this today. But I need you guys to get in the comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know, am I taking a step back or forward? Remember, these are 20-inch wheels. They're a little heavier. The car is a little bit more sluggish, a little less agile around the corners. But now think about this. Now, as much as I love these wheels, there are some cons that come with them. You could just look at this design and already see the nightmare that it is to keep them clean. All these skinny, tiny spokes, these little openings, brake dust is really getting in there. Those are the stock brake pads, so they leave a little brown dust. And imagine having to clean that all the damn time. That is a con right there. So not only are the spokes hard to clean, but it's also hard to get back there and keep your brake calipers clean. It's not always gonna look that blue. I just happened to wipe it down just yesterday. But generally speaking, it's gonna be kind of hard to see the brake calipers or even get back there to clean them. So those are some of the cons that come with this wheel. Not to mention, this 30 sidewall is obviously less rubber and more wheel because they're 20-inch wheels, so it's a little bit more uncomfortable. It's still better than the Super Sport tires that came with the all silver wheels. I'm still happy to have these. Now these 15 mil spacers, they're pretty aggressive. I don't have any issues with them in the back. I think I might just keep the 15 mils in the back, but I have some 10 mil spacers at home, and I'm considering throwing them on the fronts because when you fully lock the wheels, it does rub a bit right about here when the wheel is at a fully locked position. They're definitely aggressive. Just look how much they poke out. I'm definitely flinging up mad stuff at the side of the car, which leads me to this. I actually did put on brand new side skirts, and I love how much they poke out because I got rid of my old side skirts because they weren't that aggressive. They were up to here. These stick all the way out, as you could tell, and they're consistently one design to the end. It's not the squiggly line PSM style everybody has, because to me, that's just a little too out there. That's just a little weird for my taste. So let's review. Obviously, I'm in love with these wheels. I got them with the nice tires this time, so they're more comfortable. But at the end of the day, they're not the Apex wheels. They're heavier, so the car is a little less agile. It feels a little slower, and it's a little bit more uncomfortable because of 20-inch wheels. You get skinnier sidewalls on the tires. As opposed to my Apex wheels, they're 19s. I got more tire. They're also lighter, so I went faster. At least it felt faster. And of course, they were way easier to clean. But I just can't help myself. You know how it is. Sometimes you get that FOMO, you have an itch you want to scratch, and I'm so happy I got these wheels. So I really am happy I scratched this itch, and it really sounds like I'm trying to convince myself now, get in the comments. Let me know. Was this a mistake? Did I upgrade? Did I downgrade? Would you rather my Apex wheels or these Shadowline 666 competition wheels? Before I end this video, I want to say thank you to Rolando Garcia for sending me the new wheels all the way from Florida. You did a great job packaging everything up and sending it to me in a timely manner. I appreciate you, dog. And for everybody else, make sure you like the video and comment down below what you guys think. And of course, I know you're going to want to check out this video next.